Hello! Right, where are we going to go today? Well, we're going to go to Fradly Junction. That's by the canal. Popular little place. Nice little cafe there. Chances are it'll be pretty busy, as we are on a Sunday. So yeah, if I can remember where it is. Well, if I remember rightly, it's a turn off on this road. I'm sure there's one of them brown interest signs, you know. If I'm on the right road, I think I am. And there it is. Nearly missed it, you see. Hidden behind the trees. It always feels wrong driving down here for some reason. Right then, so we've parked up at the pub. There's a signpost there. There's one here too. Can't read it with my eyes. It's not that far away. It really isn't. It's been a while since I've been here, so I was a bit unsure if I knew the way, but yeah. Exhaust changing colour a lot on this, going proper golden and blue now. At least the gold matches the tank, I suppose. Yeah, let's have a bit of a wander around. Yeah, it's a proper nice place. Very popular. Yeah, a lot of people here. Still a bit early yet, so yeah, it's time for people to turn up. It's a little expensive, but yeah, well, you get that everywhere, don't you? Anywhere that's popular, prices go up. Boathouse there. Paint dock. Down here we've got a swing footbridge. Yeah, swing footbridge, look. Different, isn't it? Don't know where the footbridge goes to. goes into a oh, it goes somewhere, somebody's house. Morning. Still morning, I think, just about. Yeah, Dale Cottage, no public right of way. So yeah, it's a private house. They've got their own swing footbridge. Very nice. Nice, isn't it? Taking the family on the boat for a week. You need a week. Weekend's not long enough, is it? I mean, the speed they travel, you're not going to get very far. Time you've gone off, time to turn around again. So yeah, you need a week. But nice with the family. You have to wait till the water levels are the same in the lock and out before you can open the gate, because the water pressure. Even a couple of inches and you've got 2 inches of water all the way up there. All that amount of water pushing against the lock. 3 more bikes turning up. So there's some more further back. See the lights. Right, we'll make tracks. I had, well, no, probably head homeward now. I haven't got much else to do here, so yeah, enjoyed that. Right, we are ready. Got everything? I think so. I think so. Fluff on the mics, tickling my nose. Are you going in or out? Oh, he's going in. What a place to live though along here, eh? I mean, it's lovely, but you've got to put up with all these people, haven't you? And I think I can put up with that. The area, well, we are just, you know, living alongside the canal, in a lovely place like that. Do my zip up properly before the wasps decide to take a detour down my shirt. So, yeah, there's another cafe over that side. Yeah, proper busy place this is. Yeah, that I don't know what it's called. Orbitorium, something. Orbitorium. The War Orbitorium. It's something like that. Yeah, that's just around here. Yeah, it's starting to get a bit busier around the places now. Roads are. People decided to go out for the day, I suppose. Out for a spot of lunch. Yeah, we'll turn off here. I'm wondering how this super wide view's going on. I'll check when I get home properly, see if I like it or not. It's a good road, this is, but it's got a 50-mile-an-hour limit on it, and yeah, they do police it as well. Bit of a killjoy in it, but you know, you really let rip round some of these roundabouts. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the ride out to Fradly Junction. Until next time, thanks for watching.